Welcome to this channel, and while you're here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a big like, turn the notification bell on because I will be bringing to you remote jobs that you can work from home definitely, and they'll be like back to back, and I want you guys to act up really quick because these jobs are closing out soon. So today's job is from Pinterest, and the job that I have featuring today is Director, Product Management, Merchant. So let's look what this job is asking for. The description for this job is what you will do is craft and socialize Pinterest wide strategy, oversee the work of Pinterest merchant integrity, product catalog management and health, new ad offerings, non-product content, and how merchants show up in the organic experience. So if you have Pinterest, you know at least how this works. And because you be a product merchant, you are the one that is making or pushing those products to be seen by people. You will be the one that will be making sure that the products that are being posted on Pinterest, the videos, whatever is being posted on the Pinterest is Pinterest policy worthy. So you will manage and coach the merchants PM team, partner closely with technical and business partners, work closely with other merchant, 3P partners, and sales teams to understand needs and opportunity. What Pinterest are looking for, you need to be a trusted collaborator. So you have to collaborate with other departments so as to make the work easier. You will need to be a strategic thinker. You will need to be a skilled communicator. And people will say that I am a skilled communicator or I'm a good communicator. But when it comes to business communication, it's totally different from how you can communicate with your friend. But if you can make somebody listen to you and also follow your instructions, you are a skilled communicator. You also need to be a strong people leader. That is, you have leadership skill, a technical strength. At least you have some technology skill, including machine learning. You are a driver of result. More so if you're a self-starter, you're independent, you can do things on your own without depending on other people. Of course, you will depend on other people, but on your own, are you able to make tasks complete? Are you a person that is organized when it comes to tasks or when it comes to executing things? You need also to be a pinner and merchant empathy, and you need to hold a degree in computer science or equivalent experience. Make sure I need you to mark here. It says equivalent experience. So it is not mandatory for you to have a computer science. It is not mandatory for you to have a bachelor's degree of anything. As long as you have equivalent experience, you are asked to apply to this job. This position ensures it is not eligible for relocation assistance. So if you desire to relocate, they are not going to assist you in that. How much is this job paying? Guys, are you ready to drop your jobs? 226, 644 to 466. This is a 10-figure job. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't try to do this? I don't know, but I wish you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a big comment, and also turn the notification bell on so you are not missing out future job post. Take care.